Okay, may I now call our second contestant, Trisha Nicole Dialogo. Okay, make her pose. Look at the judges. Okay, turn around. Okay, give your best smile. Okay, thank you, Trisha. Number 3, Prince Zay Granada. Okay, Prince Zay, pose. Look at the judges. Smile, Prince Zay. Turn around. Okay, thank you, Zay. Now, may I call on Jacob Marian Eustace Alongalay. Look at the judges, kuya. Wow. Okay, thank you very much, Kuya Jacob. And last but not the least, Don Maverick P. Laluño. Give your best smile, Kuya Zem. Can you turn around, Zem? Smile. Okay, thank you. Okay, once again, let us give a round of applause for our candidates in their sportswear attire. Okay, thank you, candidates. You may now go down the stage.